What is the most important thing in sales and business to become successful? The most important thing, अगर ये नहीं है तो आपके पास कुछ भी हो सकता है, still your business and sales will not rock. आपके पास वर्ल्ड का सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस हो सकता है, यू कैन हैव द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, यू कैन हैव एवरीथिंग, पर अगर ये एक फैक्टर मिसिंग है आपके बिजनेस में, सेल्स में, तो उद्धार नहीं होगा. एंड यू नो नंबर वन बिजनेस, द नंबर वन रीजन पीपल फेल इन बिजनेस, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू सेल. एंड यू नो द नंबर वन रीजन people are not able to sell, you know that? I will tell you on this video. Well, my name is Ravi Sachan. I am the founder of Sales का सिकंदर system and author of the book of Sales का सिकंदर. Thank you for being with me. And if you want to know more about myself, at the end of this video, you can click and check it out. What kind of program I have for you if you are in a sales and business. See, business, sales, life, this all or what is a process. What's the word? Is a process. And most people take their business and life is like, oh, it's like one day game. Oh, it's like one day game. I got this business, it's a one day game. No, it's not one day game. It's not a cricket match. It's not a T20. Business, life and sales is not a T20 game. Okay? You have to do certain thing on speed, but you have to understand it's a process. Okay? So now understand what's the number one reason people fail in sales, and then अगर आपके बिजनेस में, सेल्स में वो मिसिंग है, हाउ यू कैन डेवलप इट. सो लिसन वेरी केयरफुली, गेट अ नोट पैड एंड राइट, क्योंकि अब जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं ये आपके पूरा बिजनेस, पूरा इनकम, आपकी कैश फ्लो को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता है. एंड आई नो आई एम टॉकिंग एंड इट रियली रियली वर्क. दैट हैज हैपेंड विथ मी. ओके, सो नोट डाउन दिस 5 वर्ड, TRUST. 5 word, TRUST. 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 Listen. Hello. Trust. Trust. Relationship work between husband and wife because there is a trust. The people vote to politician because of a trust. You go to a lawyer because you trust on that lawyer, that this lawyer will take care of your case and he or she will help you to win that case. Yes or yes? You go to a doctor because you trust on that doctor, that this doctor will solve your problem. You sit in a metro and travel because आपको ये ट्रस्ट है कि जो मेट्रो चला रहा है, जो मेट्रो का पूरा सिस्टम है, वो आपको सेफली वहां पहुंचा देगा जहां पे आप जाना चाहते हैं. You go to a flight because you trust on the airlines company, you trust on the pilot, you trust on the cabin crew that these people are professional enough to handle, take care your luggage, take care you and take care your family. Yes or yes? You cannot do anything in this world without these 5 words, trust. So when it comes to making money, see कितना powerful है जब आप पैसा अपना खर्च करते हैं मार्केट में. When you buy something, you need what? Trust. Now imagine, reverse कर दो. If you become a salesperson now, then guess what? जब आप trust करके you go and buy something, do you think as a salesperson you can get anybody buy from you without these 5 word trust? Yes or yes? No, never. And what people do, what people focus, what the sales people do, the sales people try to become over smart. They talk too much. They try to be like Mr. Natwalal. They try to be like Tom, Dick and Harry. You know, they show that they know everything. They know everything in this world. You ask them and they are like encyclopedia. And that's the problem. The customer doesn't want you to know everything. The customer only wants you to solve his problem. But before he buy from you, you have to earn his trust. Now, you don't buy trust. You don't get trust. You cannot buy trust by paying the money. That's the problem. People try to buy trust by enforce. Does it happen? You have to earn trust. The only way if you want to win in sales and business and life anywhere, you have to focus on these 5 words. And I teach in my Sales Ka Sikandar system that how to invest 90% of your time, energy, focus on, guess what? On developing that trust, building that trust, focusing on getting other human beings trust on you, because people are driven by fear, anxiety, suspicion, anger. Remember that? ये last में उनके साथ जो हुआ है, they have been cheated, they have been mispromised, so why they will trust on you? And this is the ultimate thing. Most sales people are focusing too much of product knowledge, this knowledge, that knowledge, ये training, वो training, ये webinar, वो webinar, ignoring the most essential factor that you are dealing to a human being. A human being is not a machine. They have empathy, they have logic, they have emotions, they have like so much experience collected there, this subconscious mind. The data is filled. They have so much of failure, so much of anxiety, worry, emotions. So that's the reason they don't trust easily. Now tell me, is it easy to earn people trust? Or it's hard to earn people trust? What do you think? It's not easy, not hard. It's the way you think as it is. For me, it's a process. You don't trust on me on day one. If you're watching this video on first time, what will happen? You'll not trust on me. You'll go and watch some more my videos. You'll go and do some more research about who the heck this Ravi Sachan is all about. Why? That's the way you are. That's the way I am. When I buy something, I don't just blindly trust on anybody. So guess what? Same thing with you also. You have to work to earn people trust. Now, to earn people trust, here's the most important point. To earn people trust, you have to become valuable. What's the word? You have to become valuable. Valuable. A doctor जिसके पास आप चल के जाते हैं, you have a trust on that doctor because that doctor is a valuable. Yes or no? Yes. An advocate जिसके पास आप चल के जाते हैं, that advocate has a value. He is valuable or not? Of course. Do you think in आपकी इंडस्ट्री में, आप जिस इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं, जो चीज मार्केट में आप सेल करते हैं, उसी इंडस्ट्री में 1 से 2 से 3% ऐसे लोग हैं who makes 10 times more money than you? Yes or no? Yes. You know why? Because these 1 to 3% people जो 10 गुना ज़्यादा पैसा बनाते हैं, they have learned only one thing. What? How to win other person trust in a faster mode. कैसे सामने वाले ह्यूमन बीइंग का, इंसान का ट्रस्ट जीते वही फास्ट स्पीड में. This is the real secret to win in sales, business and life. Now the question is, how do you really win people trust? It's a $1 million process. अगर आप वाकई इस चीज को समझना चाहते हैं, within 30 to 90 days your sales will rock. अगर आपको आज पैसों का चैलेंज है, हमेशा के लिए खत्म हो जाएगा, because you need to be mastering this skill how to win people trust, and it's a process. And if you want to know more about it, click on the link. Go and watch some more videos of mine. Then you will understand what can I do for you. And if you want to take this trust building process in a fast mode, book a one-to-one with me. I will show you how it can happen. And the next video, I will tell you that how you can build trust in this YouTube only. But if you want to make it fast mode, just book a one-to-one. I will see you how it can happen. Thank you very much. Subscribe this channel. Give me your comments. If you like it, show me your thumbs up. All the best. Take care. God bless.